All right, so we are back again. Thank you so much for your patience. So, in this video, we are going to be looking at the Windows ADK installation for our SCCM or MECM lab. So, we're going to be installing ADK for Windows 10, and we're going to be installing Windows PE add-on. So, what I've done here is that I've actually navigated to these to the website where I can download. Actually, you can just browse to these. Let me show you something. You can just browse to these, and you can just search, and that would take you to a website where you can download both. So these are the in this video, I already download both of them, so I'm going to right click, run as an admin. You can actually open it. I never have any problem right there. So next, I don't want them to collect anything. Next, accept. So we only need the first four, so I'm going to uncheck these and click on install. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So what I would do with this video is I will go ahead and fast forward that process for you so that you don't have to wait. I'll be right back. All right, so it's done. So let's just close. Let's right click on the second one, run as admin. Yes. Next. No. Accept. So this is only like one, and it's gonna take like 3.6 gig. So we installed that one. This might take a little bit of time also. To save your time, I'm going to fast forward the video. So let me go grab some water. I'll be right back. All right, it looks like everything is going fast on this one. So let's see, we are back and better. So in step 4, we have actually installed these two ADK. So we're good. So in step 5, what we need to do is that we need to install the Windows Server Update services. So I think we just need to go here. We go to manage, add, go to role based, next. So we scroll down, and this is what we need to install right here. Click add features and next. So once we get that, we go with next and next. Okay, this is very fun part. So once we get here, we have to uncheck this one, click on this one, click on next. Now remember, we have a SQL database on the same machine that we have the configuration manager, so it actually make it easier. So I'm going to say, okay, let's go to this path and do what name can I call these? Let's just call it WSUS and click on next. So I'm going to start it on the C drive. So I checked connection. This should work perfectly because we have the database right here. Next, I'm just going to click on restart if needed and click on install. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to fast forward it a little bit so that you don't have to wait. I'll be right back. All right, so it looks like this is finished right now. That is great. So let's close it and let's move on. So What else do we have to do right here? What else? What else? What else? Okay, so we're going to go back to this and launch the post installation. So let me make it bigger. What is happening right here? Configuration failed for Windows server of SCCM. Why? Why do you fail? Okay, let me go ahead and restart it right now. I think maybe because I didn't put my database full URL name. So this is something that I've actually tried before, and also this is actually, let's see why it fails, like I mentioned, this is not sometimes click and click and click and the magic happen. Sometimes we made some mistake and we fix it along the way. So let's go back to the server. Let's go back to the server. Okay, let's bring up the server manager one more time. Let's see if that is what needed. Okay. Think, let's see, launch. It fell more. Okay, really quick. I just go ahead and remove that. Let me go ahead and remove it. And we're just going to do it again. And that is really quick. Really quick. Remove that. I'm just going to do it again. It shouldn't take much time though. Appreciate your patience. Let's see. Okay, done. So what happened is that I have to restart. Because right now we are on step 5. So we need to make sure this is done with no error before we can continue. So it's a lab. So you might always come across this kind of things during your own lab preparation. And it's something that we can fix. We just have to do it again. So I'm going to log in back to the server really quick, and there we go. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, I know. Next. We're just going to repeat the same thing. Pick up the role, add the features. Let's see. We're good to go right here. We just need to uncheck this one, check this one. Next. We just put the same thing. C-WSUS. Next. And I'm going to type in, so it's the same server. The same server. Okay, it said everything is okay. We shouldn't have any problem right here. Everything is good. Let me check before I continue regarding the roles. Let's see. Okay, everything is good. I don't have any problem right here. Not sure why it's giving us issue. Okay, let's do it again. So let's do it again. So if you're actually following up with the lab practice, so please let me know your experience in the comment section. Let me know your experience. I really appreciate it. I mean, I've actually deployed this before and I don't get that error message. So I just wanted to know the difference. So appreciate that. So let me just wait a little bit. So while you're enjoying the music, okay? Oh, it's done. Let's see. Please wait while your server is configured. Okay. Let's just wait for that. Okay, let's go for it. To be honest, maybe we can actually close this one and just go, okay. Yeah, it's doing something this time. So let's see what it's doing and we just have to wait a little bit. So, Opa. Oh, configuration required. Install succeeded on. Oh, now we're good. Nice. Super proud of you. So we got that working right now. So now we finish this step 5. So we have to go on the step 6. So step 6 is where we're gonna configure the big boy, which is the configuration manager itself. So let me pull it up right here. So for step 6, we are actually going to install this guy. Okay, I'm very excited because I know everything is going to work. So, but before that, let me pull up my SQL server. So let's see what my SQL server is saying, because I really wanted to tweak something right there before we continue. So I'm looking for my configuration manager. I just want to make sure that things are running perfect. So I'm going to go to services and make sure it's running, and go to the network. I need to make sure the name pipe is actually enabled. So once I did that, I have to restart this. So because we're about to install the big boy right now, so this is why we are preparing. We're preparing all this time from step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're on step 6 just because we wanted to install the SCCM, the big boy. So let's see what happened after restarting this. Like I mentioned, I always like to make sure that, okay, another thing I want to check here is to make sure that we go on security logins to make sure that we have these 2 accounts and to make sure that they have the right permission. So system admin, it's right there. I'm going to check this one also right there. Okay, before I install the big boy, I just want to restart my server one more time just to make sure that there's no services that is not running, just to make sure that everything is actually on point. So while we're waiting for the server to come back, let's see what we can. Very excited right now because I know that we're almost done with this tutorial. It takes time, you know. When you're doing your lab, you actually run into issues and you fix it along the way. So let's see. Now I'm going to navigate to where I have my big guy right here. So I'm going to right click on it or just double click on it, and we're on step 6 right now. Everything is looking good. I'm going to click on install. Yes. Next. Standalone now. Let me just leave it that way. Yes. I'm going to use the evaluation of the products. Accept the terms and conditions. Now I have to specify the path for the download. So normally I do that on my C drive. I'm just going to name it prereqs. Okay, next. Oh, it's a specified directory does not exist. Check that you have entered a valid path and that user can have the permission to write on it. Okay, let's go back again. Um, this is our folder. Next. Yeah! Clap for yourself. So that is the first victory right now. So let's keep going. It's going to take a while, so one thing I'm going to do right here is that keep enjoying the music while I'm going to fast forward this video. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back right here. So it looks like we have actually overcome the first obstacle. So I'm very excited that we're going to finish very strong. So we're just waiting for this boy to finish downloading the prerequisite component. Yeah, let's see what we have right now. Please, like I mentioned, if you are actually facing any issue, please do put it down in the comment section. I really appreciate you. So let's make sure that we don't have any other language selected right here. We only have English or Spanish or Czech, Chinese, and Italian, Japanese, or any other language you speak. So we click on next. So I'm going to specify I'm going to put my name, the name of the site. So we click on next and I install it as a primary. Yes. Now, if we pass through this place, it looks like all the configuration is actually working really nice. Next. Done. So this is where we normally have issues, like maybe configuration issue or port issue, but we have passed that and it's looking good right now. Next. Just take a look if that actually go with what you actually with what you prepare. Next. It says HTTP communication is required to validate a PKI certificate for the site. Do you want to continue with the settings? Yes. So, yes. Accept. Yes. Yes. Right here is also a place where we face a lot of configuration issue, like maybe the right net framework is not actually installed. With my experience, we shouldn't face any failure right here, to be honest, but if we do, we're going to fix it. Let's remember, this is a lab environment. If you want to take it further steps, you can actually click on the warning, read about it, and you go there, you go fix it. But for me right now, everything is looking okay. You can see I'm about to begin install the new baby. It's going to take a while, so now I'm so grateful. So I'm gonna relax right now, go take me some coffee because I'm super excited, I'm super happy, and also know that you're actually installing your MECM configuration manager. Everything is working for you on the other side. If not, please put a comment down in the section and I'm going to connect with you and we can get this up and running. So it's gonna take a while. I'm going to let you enjoy the music. After the recording of the video, I'm going to fast forward it so that you don't have to wait. But I'm going to show you all the process to the end. I'll be right back. All right, so it takes 26 minutes. I'm super grateful. Ah, this is done. So let's go ahead and close it, exit, and let's go ahead and launch our baby boy. Wow. Let's see if this is working. Let's see if this work. Let's see. Let's see if this is working. It's connecting to the database. Connecting to the database. Yeah! Nice! Nice! I'm super grateful right here. This is actually, we still don't have, let's see, we're gonna go to monitor, right? Let's see what we can do right here. Admin updates. Oh, is it actually connected? No, with the evaluation license. Alright, looks like you can do a lot of things right here. You see that? Alright, let's see. I click on OK. Check for updates. I don't think we have any update right now, so everything is working as expected. So in my next video, I might be doing some videos about some features of this SCCM. So I'm super grateful. Our lab is up and running. We still have a DC. We still have in the next video, we're going to be seeing how to actually create index server. So we're gonna create certificates. We're going to keep creating all this beautiful stuff for practice. So this is going to be our lab. I'm not going to delete it anymore. I've actually deployed these like more than 15 times just to make sure that everything is working. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your patience. I know it's a long video. Keep staying blessed. I love you so much. If you find my video useful, please actually share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I'm going to be uploading a lot of a lot of things that I've learned in the past. Thank you so much. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.